everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will be watching an older Malayalam song. We are back with the classic song reactions, and this song is called Prayam Nammil. Prayam Nammil. This is from a film called Neeram. The music is given by Vidya Sagar and stars Kunchako Boban and Shalini, and the singers are, wait, let me just... P. Jayachandran and Sujata Mohan. So this film came out in 1999. This video is subtitled by one of my viewers, Jitin from MTT Creations channel. Thank you so much. I really liked reading a couple of comments where you have appreciated his subtitle work. So please pour all the love for him because he subtitles the songs excellently. And yes, I don't want to delay this any further. I just noticed this is like a 6-minute song, which is crazy. Actually, not so crazy because, in the 90s and all, I think 4.5-minute, 5-minute songs were not that unusual as well. So I'm not surprised that, what's 6 minutes? Nowadays, it's like, okay, if you have a 2.5-minute song, it's enough. So anyway, let's listen to the song right away. He's like, no, we don't want this. Sing a vibe song.
Prayam nammil moham nalgi, moham kannil premam nalgi, premam nenjil ragam nalgi, ragam chundil ganam nalgi, ganam moolaneenam nalgi, eenam tedum neerattandil kaattin kaigal taalam thatti taalakombattu nyaaladi paadu naattumaine kude aadu cholamayile onnu paadu naattumaine kude aadu cholamayile. Will there be a Kunchako dance break? Prayam nammil moham nalgi, moham kannil premam nalgi, premam nenjil ragam nalgi, ragam chundil ganam nalgi, ganam moolaneenam nalgi, eenam tedum neerattandil kaattin kaigal taalam thatti taalakombattu nyaaladi paadu naattumaine kude aadu cholamayile onnu paadu naattumaine kude aadu cholamayile.
Oh yes, we have a Kunchako dance break. I actually like the flute incorporation so much.
മിത്രനാളും നിന്നിൽ കുങ്കുമം ചൊരിഞ്ഞു സൂര്യൻ കണ്ണിലെ നിലാവിൽ പൂത്തതേതാമ്പൽ എത്ര കോടി ജന്മം മോഹം കാത്തിരുന്നു നിന്റെ ദേവൻ നെഞ്ചിലെ കിനാവിൽ ചേർത്തരീരൂപം മേഘത്തേരിൽ
Oh no, she will sing.
Come on, sing along.
Oh, sing along, yes.
Just for the fun of it. Come on.
You know what? I actually love what she's wearing. It's so stylish. That top is really cool, actually. Kunchako is like, get up on the stage.
മേഘത്തേരിൽ പാട്ടിൽ പറഞ്ഞതെന്തേ മോഹം കണ്ണിൽ പ്രേമം നൽകി
പ്രേമം നെഞ്ചിൽ രാഗം നൽകി രാഗം ചുണ്ടിൽ ഗാനം നൽകി
ഗാനം മൂളാനീണം നൽകി ഈണം തേടും മീറത്തണ്ടിൽ കാത്തിൻ കൈകൾ താളം തട്ടി താളക്കൊമ്പത്തു ഞാനാടി പാടും
What a nice, like, look out I mean, I'm just reading out the lyrics also. It's so nice. Like, the chain reaction.
നമ്മിൽ മോഹം നൽകി മോഹം
Because I
കണ്ണിൽ
bring
പ്രേമം
love to the
നൽകി
eyes.
പ്രേമം നെഞ്ചിൽ
I mean, like the chain that is created through this.
ഗാനം മൂളാനീണം നൽകി ഈണം തേടും മീറത്തണ്ടിൽ കാത്തിൻ കൈകൾ താളം തട്ടി
Look at
താളക്കൊമ്പത്തു
Kunchaka in the background.
പ്രായം നമ്മിൽ മോഹം നൽകി മോഹം കണ്ണിൽ
it is
പ്രേമം
one.
നൽകി
പ്രേമം നെഞ്ചിൽ രാഗം നൽകി രാഗം ചുണ്ടിൽ ഗാനം നൽകി
ഗാനം മൂളാനീണം നൽകി ഈണം തേടും മീറത്തണ്ടിൽ കാത്തിൻ കൈകൾ താളം തട്ടി താളക്കൊമ്പത്തു ഞാനാടി പാടും നാട്ടുമൈനേ കൂടെയാടും ചോലമയിലേ ഒന്ന് പാടും നാട്ടുമൈനേ കൂടെയാടും ചോലമയിലേ.
Oh yes, we have another dance break. Let's go! This is what I want to see, the dance break.
പാലപൂത്ത കാവിൽ നമ്മൾ കണ്ടുമുട്ടി ആദ്യം തമ്മിൽ പങ്കുവച്ചതേതോ കവിതയായി മാറി പെയ്ത രാവിൽ പിന്നെ യാത്ര ചൊല്ലിപ്പോയ നേരം ഓർത്തുവച്ചതോരോ കഥകളായി മാറി സ്വർഗവാതിൽ പാതിചാരി ദേവകന്യനീ പാട്ടിൽ പറഞ്ഞതെന്തേ
And the melody is so beautiful, yeah.
ദേവകന്യനീ പാട്ടിൽ
That's why I was really a musician.
മാനത്തെ നക്ഷത്രപ്പൂക്കൾ മുത്താൽ പൊഴിഞ്ഞിടും
Like, look at this tune, so good.
പാട്ടിൽ പറഞ്ഞതെന്തേ മേലെ മാനത്തെ നക്ഷത്രപ്പൂക്കൾ മുത്താൽ പൊഴിഞ്ഞിടും തീരത്ത് ഒന്ന് പാടും
Nice. Yo, you know what I've noticed whenever I've reacted to an older Kunchako song, like an older song which stars Kunchako in that film, the songs have, particularly, I don't know if it has happened mostly with his songs, that his songs have incredible hooks. Like na 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 na. Like it kind of gets stuck in your head. You know, there have been times where I'm in the kitchen, I'm cooking, I'm just doing some work, I'm reading, and just automatically, like I keep on the humming, Ava Ava Ava, the Ava Ava song. I'm like, oh my god, that song has been stuck in my head ever since I've listened to it. So, and this hook also, when I was listening to the song, particularly for this hook, I knew that, oh my god, I am going to be humming this hook invariantly because it's so addictive. Na 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 na. It's so freaking addictive. I love the picturization of the song, especially the choreography, because I was really hoping I get to see, because the moment I realized, oh, this has some sort of rhythm, I was hoping that I would get to see Kunchako dance, and it did not disappoint. Like, my expectations were completely met. I think the singers also did a fantastic job. I feel that whenever I listen to the older songs, for me, of course, it is to appreciate the song in its entirety, but the intent is really not to review or judge the song. It is, of course, to get exposed to the kind of music that I have missed out on, and to sort of get an idea that how the music scene has evolved, say in Malayalam films particularly. Then, because see, for Hindi films I know, because I have been listening to Bollywood songs since I've been growing up, or for that matter, a lot of songs from the Bengali film industry I have been aware because they used to get played at my home. So but this is something very new for me because I know the newer songs, say from Malayalam cinema or from Tamil, because those are the two major, industries that I cover, specifically in this channel for songs. And there are a lot of viewers who ask me to react to the older Tamil songs as well. So for me it is more like an exposure, and I want to see how the music scene has evolved. That's why I keep asking for recommendations for older songs, because it helps me also understand the music scene there. Because for the newer ones, obviously I'm getting exposed to them now. What I have kind of understood is that, and first I was telling you initially that the duration of the songs have reduced now, and this is something I really miss from today's songs, is that between the verses there used to be a really good musical piece, and this I have said in a previous reaction also, which kind of is missing in today's songs. And when I listen to these kind of songs, I really savor and enjoy, of course, the verses as well, the lyrics also, the singing also, but the instrumentals. The instrumentals are really the highlight, because you can understand from a music director's perspective also that so much of variations have to be brought, specifically for a song which is 6 minutes. And if you just listen to the instrumental part, it bowls you over, right? Because as a casual listener, you wouldn't really appreciate it. You'll be like, yeah, it's a nice song, I'm having fun, and it's fun, it's vibey. In the beginning, we need a song with a vibe. But when you really sit down and listen to the instrumentals of it, I think for me, I appreciate the song even more that way. And that's why when I listen to the older songs, the first immediate attention goes to the instrumentals for me. Even now when I listen to the songs, yes, the singing is there, the rhythm, the beat, the instrumentals, but I think when I'm specifically reacting to the older songs, I want to see what the music scene, in my head, I want to see what the music scene was at that point of time. And even though at that point of time there wasn't that technology for mixing and mastering and auto-tuning that much, and now we have a lot of advanced technology, now AI is also there. But today the difference is that if the singer isn't singing the song in a very impactful way, it becomes very forgettable. Like the older songs, I feel we used to remember with the instrumentals also, like the instrumentals, the music used to be so freaking impactful that even if you remove the voice of the singer, there would be some portions that you would invariably remember thinking that, oh my god, this thing stood out so much. And I think till the 90s, early 2000s, it was still there. And now the scene has completely changed. This is just my little observation, but you guys can let me know your thoughts. I'm not saying that music directors don't prioritize instrumentals, but I don't think they are prioritizing it as much as they used to initially, like in the earlier years. That's just my opinion. It's just a personal opinion. You guys can refute it in the comments for sure. And but yeah, this was extremely enjoyable, and please keep recommending such songs to me. Also, like I said before, that my entire purpose of listening to the older songs is to just see the journey of how the scene of music has changed over the years. So if you have a recommendation of, oh Ashmita, this is a song from say the 60s or the 50s, it's very unique, you may not like it, you may like it, I leave it to you, but just see that this is the kind of song that was getting made. So I mean, that'll be very interesting, right? I think that will give a more holistic idea to me also, and maybe if any of the audience wants to get exposed to such kind of music and such kind of reactions, that'll be great. I'm just saying, see, from this channel, from the song reactions and all, I think I've said this before also, I don't earn anything. Like the channel does not, the channel makes peanuts because all the content is copyrighted, and rightfully so, because the songs belong to its rightful owners. So how to bring value to the channel, and how to ensure that the time that I am spending in recording, editing and uploading, and the time that you guys are spending in watching is at least fruitful, right? It's fruitful for me because I'm getting exposed to more and more music and more artists. But how do I make it fruitful for you guys also? So that suggestion, I'm very much open to listening to those suggestions as well. So yes, anyway, that was my reaction, and thank you for sharing one more gem from the Malayalam cinema. And I'm gonna sign off from this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.